How to open a US LLC as a non-resident, step-by-step guide for foreigners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can create your own LLC, which has many different benefits. So if you're starting your own online business or you deal with e-commerce and you want to start selling online, or if you're selling on Amazon or any kind of online platform, it's a really amazing idea to get yourself access to the US financial system. And having a US based LLC is going to give you legal protection. It safeguards your personal assets, limits your liability in case you ever have a lawsuit, and as I've mentioned, that it unlocks the US financial system, including banking and payment processors. So, in a nutshell, you can basically set up your business in the US. And to do that, you're going to be using doola. Doola is going to allow you to create your own US based LLC, even if you are on the other side of the globe. It doesn't matter where you are. Having a legitimate LLC is going to be made easy using doola. So now you might say, perfect. And I want to get started. How do I get started? Well, if you want to get started right off, you can get started by clicking on the link provided in the description box down below, where you can access Doola, your all-in-one business solution. It's just a one-stop shop where they're going to help you in setting up your business with AI-powered toolkits as well. Now, to get started, simply head on over into Doola, and once you've clicked on the description down below, you're going to have a sign up link. This link is going to give you the best deals possible, and you can sign up via Google, or you can also sign up by entering your information. I'm just going to proceed with my sign up over here. Now, once you've filled out all of your basic information, you're going to proceed with the country of residence. This can be anywhere in the world. It does not have any limitations. Next up, you have two options. You can form and start your new US business, form your company, get your EIN, and stay compliant. Or if you already have a US based business, you can run and grow that. For us, we're going to be starting a brand new business and we're going to go with our first option. So then we're just going to click on continue over here. Now you have two options. You have C Corps or LLCs. LLCs are for small businesses with more flexibilities, and C Corps are for startups with fundraising from investors. Now, LLCs cannot issue stocks and ownership cannot be represented by members. There's less paperwork and less corporate restrictions, no meeting requirements for LLCs, and this gives you unlimited owners whether they are US based or international. So, we're going to start our LLC company, and then we're just going to click on next. Once you do that, you're going to proceed with your company name. So, our company name is Kiara. Now, after you have entered your company name, they're going to ask you what state you want to proceed with. So you can choose another state or you can go with Wyoming. They're going to recommend you a state depending on your region, and they're going to show you the price for the state fee as well as the billing. Then you will see why the state is recommended. So it's recommended for simplified formation, lower annual operating costs, and flexibility. There's no corporate income tax or annual franchising tax. Some states have additional requirements after your company is registered. So you can view a full list of these requirements over here. Once you do that, this will open up a doc that was created by Doola, which is going to allow you to see all of the requirements that each particular state has for LLCs. So you can choose which one is going to be the most accommodating for your business structure. But I'm going to go with Wyoming over here. Now, when it comes to pricing, Doola has affordable plans with their starter plan, total compliance, and business in a box. But I have to say that the business in the box provides you with a lot of value, especially for founders who want full legal compliance and a dedicated bookkeeper. This includes an AI co-founder, company formation, IRS business tax filings, bookkeeping and analytics, as well as a dedicated bookkeeper. So it provides you with a lot of value, and you can save 25% when you are billing annually. So it's only $3,000 a year, which includes all the basics that you need to run your LLC from anywhere around the globe. It does not matter where you are. You have all the tools and legal protections to keep your assets safe. And you can use the total compliance or starter plans to get started and choose to opt for whichever one you think fits your needs the best. But for people that want complete security, the business in a box is a lot of value for all of the amazing features that it has. And then you're going to click on next. Once you do that, you can get an expedited EIN number, which can cost you $300. This is going to make it 2 weeks faster, or on average, you would be waiting around 8 weeks. And then you're going to click on next. Once you do that, you're going to proceed, and then you're going to confirm and enter your billing information. And just like so, your LLC is ready on Doola. Doola makes it this easy for you to get started with establishing your LLC. And with Doola, you also have AI Co-founder, which is a tool you're not going to find anywhere else. This specific tool is going to help you in making sure that your business is on track. This is a 24/7 AI assistant that's going to help you in setting up your business. It's going to deliver real time clarity and make smarter decisions based on the information you provide. So, it's going to understand your business. And when you're setting up your business internationally and you're trying to build your LLC in the US, having a simple tool like this can be super helpful. LLC is not the only option. You've also got C Corp, and that is something that is a bit more restricted when it comes to just the basic minimum requirements. So that is why most people, when they're starting off their businesses and establishing them, they opt for LLCs, but in the long run, you cannot sell shares of your LLC. Now, many creators, influencers, and community leaders are unintentionally leaving a lot of revenue on the table. This happens because they either have no business information, they don't refer their audience to the right channels, and this is exactly where Doola comes in. They not only support business information, but also provide services like bookkeeping, tax compliance, and they just unlocked an additional revenue stream for their partners. Now, they offer two core service plans. The first one is a starter plan, of course. It's $297, and it is a one time charge every year. It's going to include everything that you need to get started with your US based LLC, including a US based bank account as well, and a registered agent plus a EIN number. The second one, the best one in my opinion, because you can see you can save up to 25% with this particular plan when it comes to you using Doula, is their founder's plan. So this is called Business in a Box, and you get everything here. You can choose whether you want to go with monthly plans or annual plans. And Business in a Box, you will be saving 25% even on their monthly plan. Now, the business for people that have pre existing business, they have different plans. So you can get a 30-day free trial of their Pulse, a $2,000 per year total compliance plan, and their business in a box where you can choose to pay $3,000 annually or $329 per month for all features, including bookkeeping, dedicated bookkeepers, and IRS tax filing, which is going to save you a lot of hassle in the long run and save you more time to do your work in your particular expertise. So, making an LLC has never been easier with the help of Doola. Now, if you want to get started with Doola, make sure to click on the description box down below and use our coupon code to get a 10% discount on your favorite plan on Doola. And if you have any questions or any queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next, and make sure to check out the link to get started with Doola.